Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 14.2 of factorization. Question number 1. Factorize the following expression. In previous video, we discussed question number 1 of first part, second, third and fourth part. In this video, we will discuss fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth part. Okay, so you can see here fifth part is 4x square minus 8x plus 4. So use identities a whole square of a minus b. Okay, so first we convert it in the form of identities, and after this we factorize it. Okay, this is the first method, and in second method we break the middle term into equal part. The middle term is 8x, so we break it into equal part 4x, minus 4x and minus 4x. Okay, after this we take common, grouping it and take commons, and we find the factorization of these algebraic expressions. Okay, let's see how to solve it. Here the first part is fifth part is of question number 1, 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Okay, so we use the identity whole square of a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so first we convert this expression like that. Okay, so here 2 square is 4. Okay, so we can write 2 into x, whole square of 2 into x. Okay, square of 2, it means that if you know a into b of power m, this is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m. Clear? So for this we can write 2x is equal to power 2 is 2 to power 2 into x to power 2. It means that we can 2 power 2 means 2 into 2, it's become 4 x square. Okay, so you can write 4x square is 2 whole square of 2x. Okay, and minus 8x, so you can write it 2 into 2x into 2. Okay, 2 to the 4, 2 the 8 into x plus you can write 4 is equal to 2 power 2. So you can see here this is a form of this identity is a square plus b square minus 2, this is a, this is b. Here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 2. If you compare this identities to this expression, so you obtain this is a square, this is a, this is a b. Okay, a is 2x and b is 2. So here this is 2a b. Okay, so you can write like that whole square of a minus b. So here we compare a is 2x minus b is 2. So this is equal to, okay, clear? Okay, so you can also write it 2x minus 2 into 2x minus 2. This is a factors of 4x square minus 8x plus 4. So you can write here 4x square, factors of 4x square minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 2 into 2x minus 2. Clear? This is clear. Also you can solve this question by, if you break equal middle term into equal part, look here, or you can solve it like this by grouping x square minus 8x plus 4x. Okay, if you divide 8, you obtain 4. So you break the middle term into equal part. So it's obtained 4x square minus 4x minus 4x, and plus 4 we write as it is. Okay, so you can see these terms and these terms having common 4x, and last two terms we have common 4. Clear? So we grouping it. So here we obtain like this. This is first group. Write in one bracket 4x square minus 4x. Take minus common in between them. So we obtain here 4x minus 4. Okay. If you open the bracket and multiply by minus sign, so this becomes minus 4x and this becomes plus 4. Okay. So in first bracket we have common 4x. Okay. So we take common 4x. So here we obtain only x. Okay. And here 4x is common, so we obtain only 1. 4x is the common factor between them. And here what we have common? 4. 4, here 4. So we take common 4. And we obtain here x minus 1. Clear? You can notice here in both terms, this is first term, this is second terms. You have common x minus 1, x minus 1. So we take common x minus 1. And we obtained here, we take common x minus 1. Okay. So here we obtain 4x. Clear? And here we obtain minus 4. Clear? This is clear. Also you can take common. I also can write here like that 4x minus 4, change the order, and the x minus 1. Clear? So here you can take common 4 because here 4 is common. So take common 4. So here we obtain x, we obtain 1. So in this way we obtain minus 1. Okay. And now see this step. Clear? You can take common 2 from here and 2 from here. Okay. So we obtain 2 into 2. First bracket we take common 2, and second bracket we take also common 2. So we obtain here x minus 1 into x minus 1, and this becomes 2 to the 4. Clear? X minus 1, x minus 1. This is clear. This is the first method to use identities. Whole square of a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and we find the factors of a given expression. And this is the second method. We break middle terms into equal part. Okay. So I hope all of you understood. Now we are going to solve sixth part of question number 1. This is a sixth part. 21 is 1 b square minus 88 bc plus 16 c square. Okay, so we find factorization of this expression. So if we see it, a square plus b square minus 2ab, b square plus c square minus something. Okay, so first we solve, use these identities. After this we also solve it, factorize it by splitting middle terms, or you can say divide middle terms into equal part. Okay, so here you can see, you can write this 121 is square of 11, square of 11 is equal to 121. Clear? And square of 4 is 16, and 88 you can write 2 into 11 into 4. Clear? You can see it, 11 4 ja 44, 44 2 ja 88. Clear? So first we convert like a square, so we can write it square of 11. So this is square of whole square of a 11b. Okay, minus, you can write it 2 into 11b into 4c. Okay, plus here you can write it whole square of 4c. This is clear? This is clear? Okay, like this we break it. 121 becomes square of 11. So you can write square of 11 is whole square of 11b, and 60 c square is whole square of 4c. This is 4c. Okay, if we compare it from this identity, we obtain this is a square, this is b square, this is 2ab. Okay, so it's equal to this, you can write a minus b, whole square of a minus b. Okay, so here whole square of a minus b, a is 11b minus b is 4c. Clear? So this is a whole square of 11b minus 4c. This is clear? You can write it 11b minus 4c into 11b minus 4c. Clear? So this is a factors of 121 b square minus 88 bc plus 16 c square. So you can write here factors of 121 b square minus 88 bc plus 16 c square is equal to what we find here, 11b minus 4c into 11b minus 4c. This is a factor of this. Okay, now we are going to solve this question by splitting middle terms. Okay, so or you can solve it like this, 121 b square minus 88 bc plus 16 c square. Okay, this is middle terms. we break these terms into equal part. Okay, we break these terms 88 BC into equal part. So this is equal to 121 B square minus half of 88 is 44 BC minus 44 BC plus 16 C square. Clear? Now we grouping it. This is first two terms and this is second and last two terms. So first write it in a bracket 121 B square minus 44 BC. This is one bracket. Take minus common between them. So you obtain here 44 BC minus 16 C square. Clear? This is here minus. When you open this bracket, this become minus and this become plus. Okay, so don't worry about the sign. So first see here in the first bracket, in first group what is common? B is common, clear, and 11 is also common. Okay, because you can see here 121 is 11 into 11. Okay, and 44 is also 11 into 4. Okay. So 11 is common, and B square is, you know very well, B into B, and BC is B into C. So B is also common here. Clear? So you can take common here 11B. If you take common 11B, so here we obtain only 11B. Okay, and minus here 11, so we obtain here 4, and B is common, so we remaining here C. Okay, so we take 11B common, first bracket we obtain 11B minus 4C. And what is common in this bracket? Tell me. Four. Here 11 into 4, 4 into 4, and also C. So you can take here common 4C. Okay. If you divide this number by 4C, C cancel, 4 cancel, it will 11B minus. Here we take common 4C. So what is? So you obtain here 4 is 16. So you obtain here 4, and C square means C into C. So one C is common. So you obtain here single C. Okay. This is a 11B minus 4C. Clear? So here you can see in both terms. This is first terms. This is second terms. What is common? So obviously you can see 11B minus 4C is common in both terms. So take common 11B minus 4C. This is common. So here we have obtain only 11B, and here we get, if we take common 11B minus 4C, so here we get only 4C. So you can see here the factorization of 121B square minus 88 BC plus 16C square is 11B minus 4C into 11B minus 4C. Okay, in this method, and also we use the identities A square minus B square whole square of A minus B is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Also we find the same factorization 11B minus 4C into 11B minus 4C. So in both method you can use. Okay, choice is your which method you use and find the factorization of the given algebraic expression. Clear? So now we are going to solve question number 7. Seventh part of question number 1. I hope all of you understood both method. This is very easy method. Try it and solve each and every question related to the factorization. This is a seventh part of question number 1. Whole square of L plus M minus 4LM. Okay. So first we break it to use this identity. Whole square of A plus B is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Clear? So here we use L square plus 2LM plus M square and 4LM minus 4LM we write as it is. Okay. So here we can write here L square A plus M square plus 2LM minus 4LM. Clear? So this becomes L square plus M square, here 2LM minus 4LM. They are like term, so subtraction is possible. So we obtain plus 4LM minus 4LM is equal to 2LM. Okay. And now you can see this is a form of like this identity. Whole square of A minus B is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay. So you can compare it and write like this: L square minus 2LM plus M square. Okay. According to this identity, you can write this like L minus M, whole square of L minus M. Okay. Or you can write it L minus M in one bracket into L minus M in another bracket. Okay. This is clear. So first we break this part, use this identities: whole square of A plus B, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here we obtain L square plus 2LM plus M square minus 4LM we write as it is. So here 2LM plus minus 4LM both are like terms, so we write like term together, and here L square plus M square. Okay. So if we subtract it, here 2L plus 2LM minus 4LM, so we obtained minus 2LM. Okay. So in the next step you can write L square plus M square minus 2LM. Clear? Now use this identity: whole square of A minus B is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay. So you can see and compare this, we find that this is a whole square of L minus M. Okay. This terms is whole square of L minus M. L square minus 2LM plus M square. So you can write it whole square of L minus M. Clear? And this is whole square. It means that you write it in two times. This is a product of L minus M L minus m into L minus m. Okay, clear? So I hope all of you understood. So here this is a factorization of L plus m whole square of L plus m minus 4 Lm is equal to L minus m into L minus m. This is clear. First we use the first identity whole square of a plus b, and next we use second identity is whole square of a minus b. Clear? In this way we find the factorization of whole square of L plus m minus 4Lm is equal to L minus m into L minus m. This is clear? Okay, now we are going to solve next part. This is last part of question 1, part 8. I hope all of you understood this 7 part of question number 1. This is the 8th part of question number 1. A power 4 plus 2 a square b square plus b power 4. Okay, what is this? Which identity is here? Let first we break it in a square and a b square. Okay, so let here a square is equal to x and b square is equal to y. Clear? Now, so a power 4, you can write it a square of whole square, but we let a square is x, so this is we obtain this x square, this means x square. Okay, and now we also let b power 4, we can write it b square to the power whole square. Okay, because you know that a power m to power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Clear? Use this law. So write this 2 2 is 4. It's become 2 into 2, so b power 4. Clear? But here we let b square is y, so this is y power 2. Okay, because we let here b square is equal to y, so we obtain y square. Clear? Now we can write this identity like this. A power 4 is x square plus 2, a square is x, b square is y, we let, plus b power 4 is y square. B power 4 is equal to y square. Okay, so you can see this is a form of like that. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to whole square of a plus b. Clear? This is clear. Now so we can write this. It is the form of like that, x plus y whole square of x plus y. So also we can write it x plus y into x plus y. Clear? Now we are putting the value of x and y. What is the x? X is a square. So in place of x is we write a square, and in place of b, because we let b square is equal to y, so it is b square. And here also ax is a square plus y is b square. Clear? So in this way you find the factorization of a power 4 plus 2 a square b square plus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square into a square plus b square. Clear? So I hope all of you understood. Okay, this is a factorization of a power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square into a square plus b square. Okay, thank you for watching.